Hello LPU classmate, good morning to everyone. This short video is about how to take a screenshot and to record the video of the desktop, personal laptop. So first I will tell you how to take a screenshot. So by pressing this Windows button, here you can see a Windows button, then Shift button and S at once. My one hand is occupied, so I can't press all three buttons at once by using one hand. So just I will keep for a second. Yes, so after pressing this one will pop up on the screen. Here you can see, okay, this one. So it means this is the camera button and you can see this blue line under this underline, so it means it is ready to take the screenshot. So just make sure how much portion you want to take a screenshot. So I want to take a screenshot only the limited area. I don't want to take a screenshot of my whole laptop. So I will select this much portion only, as you can see here. Okay, so this much portion. Okay, a screenshot has been taken already. Now I will go to WhatsApp. For example, I will send myself only. Then you can just paste it or Control V. See, this is screenshot, HD quality screenshot. Done. Now again I will press the same key, 3 button, Windows key, Shift and S to make the video recording. So I will keep my mobile just for a second. Yes, so here you can see this portion, this one. So this is for the video recording. So after pressing this one, you need to select the portion, how much screen you want to record it. So I don't want to record full area, I want to record only this much portion. This much portion only. Then you can leave it and then you can press the start button. As soon as you will press the start button, the recording will be started automatically. Here you can see this second timer has started already. So this is how you can do the both things. Yeah, thank you.